Give your license plates a sense of style and keep them secured with WeatherTech's selection of license plate frames. Let's take a closer look. Plate frame, clear frame, and clear cover are all proudly engineered and manufactured in America to keep your plates secured with durable quality materials. WeatherTech's plate frame is available in black, while our clear frame and clear cover are available in a variety of colors so you can find the best fit for your vehicle. All three of these frames are made with virtually indestructible materials to ensure these covers are resistant to weathering and daily wear and tear. Our clear cover also features a clear polycarbonate lens that helps seal out moisture and dirt while preventing UV rays from damaging your plates. Give your plates the protection they need in the style you want with WeatherTech's selection of license plate frames.